Today's video is going to be about the element of art called form. A form is similar to the element of shape, except that forms are objects having three dimensions, namely length, width, and height. So you can measure to find the volume of a form, whereas you only find the area of a shape. Two-dimensional art has the illusion of depth, so on a flat surface you don't have real forms, but you have tricks and techniques that help you create the idea of a realistic form. For three-dimensional art, such as sculpture, you will have actual form that you can physically measure. We can take several basic geometric forms or shapes and turn them into geometric forms. To take a circle and turn it into its two geometric forms, you can create a sphere by adding a light source and shading it. You want to remember that your circle is round in all directions, so you don't want to be shading with straight lines. You want to be mimicking the curve of the object to make it look round. We can also create a cylinder by using an ellipse, which is kind of an oval shape at the top and at the bottom, and including two straight lines coming down, touching the outside edges to create your can or cylinder shape. Squares become cubes. To create a cube, you start with a square. You draw a second square to represent the back edge. You want to offset them just a little bit. And then you're going to connect the corners with diagonal lines until you have your cube shape. The next one we're going to look at is a triangle. Triangles become three different things, either a triangular prism, a cone, or a pyramid. Your triangular prism is the first shape that came on to the screen. Just like with a cube, you draw a triangle, draw another triangle, and then you connect your corners to create that prism shape. A pyramid is triangular on the top and has a square base, so you'll start with one triangle and then offset another triangle to the side. And your cone is similar to the cylinder in that it has a ellipse on the bottom of it and it is triangular towards the top. The last one we're going to look at is a freeform shape turning into a freeform form. Yes, it is called a freeform form. Again, just like with a cube and with the triangular prism, you'll draw your shape twice and then connect your outside edges. Now, of course, your edges are curved, so you're merely just trying to get all of the corners that aren't really corners. The edges where you can no longer see around a shape is where you need to create a line.